Hello guys, Global Studio here today for your Solidworks tips and tricks. In this video we will learn how to import STL file into Solidworks. It is very simple guys. Without any delay, let's start this video. To import the STL file into Solidworks, you just have to go to file and open, and I will select the file. I already have the file in my system, so I will open the file. This is the file. This is a STL file. I will click to this and we can go to the file type here, and here you can see mesh files STL OBJ of ply and ply2. Click to this option, and then in options there is total 3 options: import as solid body, surface body and graphic body. You can select any of these, but for time being I will go with the solid body and select this solid body and just click OK, and then just click open. This will open the file in Solidworks. It's processing now. Yes, it is opened the file. As you can see guys, here the model is opened in Solidworks, but it is showing all the meshes here. Like this only you will get the model. I hope you guys learned this trick properly. If you guys got this tutorial properly, then please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching this video once again. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.